In today's video, we are going to show you how to verify your identity on Freecash. Let's begin. Okay, so if you have just created a Freecash account, you should receive a confirmation email, and I want you to click the link, that email, to confirm your account, and it will take you to the Freecash dashboard. Here, this is where you can complete the verification process by going to your profile icon on the top corner, okay? And then in the settings page, if your account isn't fully verified yet, you should be able to see a notification that says verification or identity verification. Okay, but in my case, my account is fully verified, so I don't have that notification. You can also see that here. Now what will happen is if you click the verify now or start verification, you will be forwarded to the verif provider. This is a third-party software company that helps Freecash to verify the accounts in their platform. Now, if you can see that option, okay, you will be asked to select your country, choose your ID type, passport, driver's license, or national ID depending on your country selection. Okay, so as you can see, you just have to provide your ID type. Is it going to be like a passport, a driver's license, or national ID? And you want to make sure that the image is not blurry. All details are visible. There's no glare or shadows, because some verifications may also ask for a selfie or a live face cam. Okay, so once you've done all of that, once everything is uploaded, submit your verification. Approval usually takes a few minutes to a few hours, but sometimes up to 24 hours. And of course, again, you should be able to see a confirmation message here on the notification that your status has been approved. And that's it for today's video. If you found it helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.